Hello, good afternoon, student. My name is Hiran Rawal. Today's date 3rd December 2020. Standard 10, subject Science. Chapter number 13, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. In the previous chapter on electricity, we learned about the heating effect of electric current. What would be the other effect of electric current? Electric current की other effects है वो क्या है? We know that an electric current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. Let us perform the following activity to reinforce it. Okay, activity 13.1. Take a straight thick copper wire and place it between the point X and Y in an electric circuit as shown in figure 13.1. The wire XY is kept perpendicular to the plane of mirror. Horizontally place a small compass near to this copper wire. See the positions of its needle. Pass the current through the circuit by inserting the key into the plug. फिर हमें उसको plug में डालना है. Observe the change in the positions of the compass needle. और फिर क्या करना है, हमें जो है उसका ऑब्जर्वेशंस करना है. Show the diagram. Here between X and Y we joined a magnetic compass जो हमें डायरेक्शन बताता है. Then R is a resistance. A जो है यहाँ पे A मीटर है. This is key and this is battery. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is resistance R. This is a meter. This is battery and this is key. Okay, now this is magnetic compass. This is magnetic compass. Okay, this is the diagram. Compass needle is deflected on passing an electric current through a metallic conductor. We see that the needle is deflected. What does it mean? उसका मतलब क्या है? It means that the electric circuit through the copper wire has produced a magnetic effect. Thus, we can say that electricity and magnetism are linked to each other. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मैग्नेटिज्म एक दूसरे के साथ जो है वो रिलेटेड है. देन व्हाट अबाउट द रिवर्स पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट ऑफ मूविंग मैग्नेट्स. ओके, इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? इन दिस chapter we will study magnetic fields and such electromagnetic effects. तो ये चैप्टर में हमें क्या करना है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स के बारे में हमें जो है वो पढ़ना है. ओके, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो इन्वेंशन है वो ऑर्स्टेड नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने किया था. ओके, ऑर्स्टेड ने सबसे पहले क्या किया, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को मर्ज करके इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो है वो उसने बना दिया. ठीक है, तो धीरे धीरे ऑर्स्टेड से आज जो है नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो प्रोड्यूस किया है. यहाँ पे है हैंस क्रिश्चियन ऑर्स्टेड. इन दिस चैप्टर We will study magnetic fields and such electromagnetic effects. We shall also study about electromagnets and electric motors, which involve the magnetic effect of electric current, and electric generators, which involve the electric effect of moving magnets. Here, the introduction of Hans Christian Ørsted, 1777 to 1851. Hans Christian Ørsted, one of the leading scientists of the 19th century, played a critical role in understanding electromagnetism. In 1820, he accidentally discovered that a compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through a metallic wire placed nearby. Through this observation, Ørsted showed that electricity and magnetism were related phenomena. His research later created technologies such as the radio, television, and fiber optics. The unit of magnetic field strength is named the Ørsted in his honor. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो यूनिट है वो ऑर्स्टेड, उसके जो ऑनर पे यहाँ पे ऑर्स्टेड जो है वो रखा है. ओके, दिस इज़ द पिक्चर्स ऑफ ऑर्स्टेड, द ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट. Magnetic field and field lines. We are familiar with the fact that a compass needle gets deflected when brought near a bar magnet. A compass needle is in fact a small bar magnet. The ends of the compass needle point approximately towards north and south directions. The end pointing towards north is called north seeking or north pole. The other end that points towards south is called south seeking or south pole. Through various activities, we have observed that like poles repel, while unlike poles of magnets attract each other. तो ये तो जो है वो हम 7th स्टैंडर्ड से हम पढ़ते आए. ओके, 7th से हम पढ़े हैं कि मैग्नेट हैज़ 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. Here one activity 13.2. Fix a sheet of white paper on a drawing board using some adhesive material. Place a bar magnet in the center of it. Sprinkle some iron filings uniformly around the bar magnet. A salt sprinkle may be used for this purpose. Now top the board gently. बोर्ड को हमें ऊपर लेना है, टैपिंग करना है, टैप करना है. What do you observe? आपको क्या दिख रहा है? तो we show the magnetic field lines. Figure 13.2. Iron filings near the bar magnet align themselves along the field lines. Okay, this is the diagram of magnetic field lines. The iron filings arrange themselves in a pattern as shown figure 13.2. Why do the iron filings arrange in such a pattern? क्यों ऐसा होता है? What does this pattern demonstrate? ऐसी पैटर्न से हमें क्या मिलता है? The magnet exerts its influence in the region surrounding it. Therefore, the iron filings experience a force. The force thus exerted make iron filings to arrange in a pattern. The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected is said to have a magnetic field. The lines along which the iron filings align themselves represent magnetic field lines. Are there other ways of obtaining magnetic field lines अराउंड अ बार मैग्नेट? ऐसी जो लाइन्स है वो हमें देखने के लिए मिलती है अदर कोई ऐसे सिचुएशंस में? यस, यू कैन योर सेल्फ ड्रॉ द फील्ड लाइन ऑफ अ बार मैग्नेट। आपको ऐसा बार मैग्नेट में हम ऐसा देख सकते हैं। ये जो एक्टिविटी है वो बार मैग्नेट में करें तो हम ऐसा देख सकते हैं। एक्टिविटी 13.3, टेक अ स्मॉल कंपास एंड अ बार मैग्नेट. Place the magnet on a sheet of white paper fixed on a drawing board using some adhesive material. Mark the boundary of the magnet. Place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. How does it behave? वो कैसे behave करता है वो हमें देखना है. The south pole of the needle points towards the north pole of the magnet. The north pole of the compass is directed away from the north pole of the magnet. एक north pole होता है और एक south pole होता है. This is the diagram. Field lines around the bar magnet. Mark the position of two ends of the needle. Now move the needle to a new position such that its south pole occupies the position previously occupied by its north pole. In this way, proceed step by step will you reach the south pole of the magnet as shown in figure 13.3. 13.3 में हम देख सकते हैं. Join the points marked or on the paper by smooth curve. This curve represent a field line. ये जो कर्व है उससे हम फील्ड लाइन है वो देख सकते हैं. In this way, proceed step by step till you reach the south pole of the magnet as shown in figure. Join the points marked on the paper by a smooth curve. This curve represents a field line. Repeat the above procedures and draw as many lines as you can. You will get a pattern shown in figure 13.4. These lines represent the magnetic field around the magnet. These are known as the magnetic field lines. ये जो है वो magnetic field lines हैं. Observe the deflection in the compass needle as you move it along a field line. The deflection increases as the needle is moved towards the poles. This is the diagram, student. Okay. Here the magnet N and S और नीचे जो है वो magnetic field line है वो orange की है. ओके है ना. डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो अपनी पैडबुक में. Magnetic field is a quantity that has both direction and magnitude. The direction of the magnetic field is taken to be the direction in which a north pole of north pole of the compass needle moves inside it. Therefore, it is taken by convention that the field lines emerge from north pole and merge at the south pole. Note the arrows marked on the field lines in figure 13.4. Inside the magnet, the direction of field lines is from its south pole to its north pole. Thus, the magnetic field lines are closed curves. तो मैग्नेटिक लाइन में क्या होता है, कर्व्स हुआ है. The relative strength of the magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the field lines. The field is stronger, that is, the force acting on the pole of another magnet placed is greater, but the field lines are crowded. जब फील्ड लाइन क्राउडेड होती है उसका मतलब क्या कि अट्रैक्शन फोर्स है वो ज़्यादा है. नंबर नो ऑफ टू फील्ड lines are found to cross each other. If they did, it would mean that at the point of interactions, the compass needle would point towards two directions, which is not possible. Then 13.2, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. ओके, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो यहाँ पे पूरा पोर्शन दिया है, करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर में क्या होता है. In activity 13.1, we have seen that an electric current through a metallic conductor produces a magnetic field around it. In order to find the direction of the field produced, let us repeat the activity in the following way. हम एक्टिविटी को रिपीट कर रहे हैं. ओके, here the activity 13.4. Take a long straight copper wire. Take a long straight copper wire, 2 or 3 cells, हम 1.5 volt each, and plug connect all of them in series as shown in figure. हमें उसको सीरीज में कनेक्ट करना है. Place the straight wire parallel to and over a compass. थोड़ा ही बैक compass needle. Plug the key in the circuit. Plug the key in circuit. Observe the direction of reflections of the north pole of the needle. If the current flows from north to south, suppose current है वो नॉर्थ से साउथ पे फ्लो हो रहा है. ओके, शोन इन फिगर 13.5a. The north pole of the compass needle would move towards the east. Replace the cell connection in the circuit as shown in figure. This would result in the change of the direction of current through the copper wire, that is from south to north. Observe the change in the directions of deflections of the needle. You will see that now the needle moves in opposite direction. Suppose needle है वो opposite direction पे suppose move होती है. Okay, that is towards the west. It means that the direction of magnetic field produced by the electric current is also reversed. Here the diagram A and B. Okay, north to east और north to west. मैग्नेटिक जो नीडल है वो मूवमेंट करती है. ओके, जहाँ पे करंट प्रोड्यूस होता है मीन्स के जो डायरेक्शन में वहाँ मैग्नेटिक नीडल है वो डेविएट करती है, तो हम एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन वहाँ पे हमें मिलता है. 13.2.1 मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अ करंट थ्रू अ स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर. What determine the pattern of the magnetic field generated by a current through a conductor? Does the pattern depend on the shape of the conductor? क्या जो पैटर्न है उसके शेप पे डिपेंड करता है. We shall investigate this with an activity. उसके लिए यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी दी है. We shall first consider The pattern of the magnetic field amount a straight conductor carrying current. Activity 13.5. Take a battery. 12 वोल्ट की हमें बैटरी लेनी है. ओके. अब वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस लेना है, और आप रियोस्टेट भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एन एमीटर. देखो रेजिस्टेंस और रियोस्टेट में क्या हम बताते हैं, क्या डिफरेंस है. रेजिस्टेंस मीन्स के नॉर्मली एक वायर होता है, दिस इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. और रियोस्टेट में क्या होता है, ऐसे जो है ना कॉइल टाइप वायर को अरेंज किया होता है, ऐसा एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है ना. यहाँ पे एक जगह दो साइड और एक जगह एक साइड. यहाँ पे वायर कनेक्ट करना है और एक यहाँ पे. एक अपर जो होता है उसमें करना है, और दूसरा लोअर में करना है. ओके. और यहाँ उसके जो है वो स्टैंड. दिस इज़ द रियोस्टेट. ओके, ऐसे रियोस्टेट होता है. Insert the thick wire through the center normal to the plane of rectangular cardboard. Take care that the cardboard is fixed and does not slide up or down. कार्डबोर्ड जो है फिक्स रहना चाहिए, वो स्लाइड अप या डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. तो आज हम यहाँ तक पढ़ते हैं स्टूडेंट. थैंक यू.